episode talking about Google again today. And brief recap of last week, we talked about Gmail, and we talked about some of the great features of it. And this week we're talking about Google Calendar, another one of the Google Apps suite of packages that are really cool. Again, just like Gmail, it's browser-based. You can share or view it or check it from anywhere. But it's also some cool stuff about Google Calendar is the fact that it will sync with your mobile calendar or like on your mobile device or your calendar application on your desktop. It will also allow you to have multiple calendars, which is a great feature for different like projects or whatever. And then one thing that I use a lot is the email and SMS reminder system. In fact, it'll send you an email or an SMS saying, hey, you got a meeting in an hour or 10 minutes or whatever. And that's a really great feature. So there's one little way that, one thing that makes, Google Calendar exponentially awesome is the what I call the magic formula. So we got Google Calendar, the magic formulas, and this definitely equals awesome. The magic formula is kind of my term, but the formula is you can actually use something that they call Quick Add. And Quick Add is a way with natural plain English to add events or times or whatever to the Google Calendar and have them show up. So the formula to remember here when you're typing in, whether it be through SMS or whether it be through their Quick Add interface or whatever, is remember what, when, who, and then where. What, when, who, where. So if you're gonna add something to your calendar using Quick Add, you would say, if I get this right, your what would be like a meeting. Your when would be tomorrow, 5 p.m. Your who would be the person, like Bill. And then where? At the mall. So you would say, meeting tomorrow, 5 p.m. with Bill at the mall. And Google would know all that stuff and put it right in your calendar with all the necessary fields. So you could send this via SMS as a text to Google Calendar, and it would put it in, or you can type it into your browser and it will add it in. It's a quick and easy way to add information in. Another great thing is with the SMS, you can actually get information from Google Calendar with 4 magic formulas, and these are help, which brings back a 3 text message that gives you some tips on how to use Google Calendar to your mobile device. You send next, the word next, and it will send you the next event on your calendar, the information that you put in. You could say day, D-A-Y, and it will send you a synopsis of that day's events or that day's schedule. Or you can say N day, like next day, but just the letter N day, and it will send you tomorrow's schedule via SMS. So these are, again, another great mobile enhancement to the Google Calendar, the fact that it allows you to interact with it via SMS and mobile, so you can be out running around and still interact with your calendar. Last but not least, the fact that it has shared and public calendars. You can create a calendar for a specific event or for something, and you can share it publicly to the world or to a group of people who have Google accounts as well. Again, these are all free. And you guys can collaborate and work together on calendars and post messages and schedule meetings and things like that with each other, ski each other's, just like, we're familiar with Outlook and how it does its resource scheduling and stuff like that. Google Calendar has the same exact thing. So again, this is another great benefit to the Google Apps suite. It's web-based. It's on the mobile devices. You can get at it anywhere. It's simple. It's easy. You can even talk to it or text to it or type to it, and it will understand your language if you use the correct formula. It's a great addition to the Google Apps suite. So yeah, get online, check it out. Google Apps, the link is in the footer or in the post, as well as you can even have a Google Calendar without the app suite. So check it out, have some fun, and tune in next week for Google Docs. Later.